Welcome back to the channel, anglers. In today's video, we're upgrading our fishing reel by replacing the plastic rings in the spool with good quality stainless steel bearings. This upgrade will boost performance and durability, so let's get right into it. First, we'll start by opening up the spool. Inside, you'll notice the plastic rings that come standard in most reels. These are functional but wear out over time, reducing the reel's smoothness and efficiency. Next, we need to remove the clip and the carbon brake that are holding the plastic rings in place. Be sure to keep these components safe, as we'll need to put them back later. A small screwdriver or precision tool will help with this step. Now that the plastic rings are exposed, we can carefully remove them. Before ordering replacement bearings, it's important to get the exact measurements of these rings. I'm using a caliper here to measure the inner and outer diameters, as well as the width. Precision is key to getting the perfect fit. Measuring the inner diameter, outer diameter, and height of the ring with a caliper, it's crucial key to find a perfect fit. Reel rings typically have standardized bearing equivalents, so it's important to measure the ring precisely with a caliper to ensure you find the correct match. With the measurements in hand, I'm now browsing through options on AliExpress to find the equivalent stainless steel bearings. Make sure to select a reputable seller and double-check the specs to match your reel perfectly. The inner diameter, outer diameter, and height of the ring are values used to search for the matching standard bearing size. The bearings have arrived. Let's check them out. I'll measure them with the caliper once again to ensure they're the right size before installation. Everything looks perfect, so we're ready to upgrade the spool. Now for the final step, installing the stainless steel bearings. They should fit smoothly into the spool where the plastic rings used to be. Once they're in place, we'll reassemble the reel by putting back the carbon brake and securing the clip. And that's it! Our reel is now upgraded with stainless steel bearings, providing a much smoother and longer-lasting performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more fishing tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Tight lines, and happy fishing!